Today I would like to show you how you can transfer files from an Android device to HMD Pulse Pro. Begin by launching Play Store on both and downloading free app called Send Anywhere. When it's ready, open it. Then click on the same options in both apps. Firstly, I agree and I acknowledge. Then confirm, continue, and allow. In this window about new updates, you can tap on Not Now or close it right away by hitting OK. Then click on your device's displays and select Send at the bottom left corner of an Android. Then Receive right next to Send at the bottom of HMD. Also on an Android, use all of those categories at the top and select multiple files to transfer. When you finished, hit Send next to Selected at the bottom. Then choose Got It in Here's Some Tip pop-up and pick one of those connection ways. If you want to connect by inputting this key, click on Input Key section, type in all of those numbers in correct order, and select Receive. Then, if you want to scan this QR code, click on the scanning icon above User Guide, close an ad, allow camera access in the pop-up, and point it at the code. Either way, wait for your devices to connect. As you can see, after that, all of my files were successfully transferred. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!